everyday level. And just having in a break, I refound this book, David Lanz. So I was thinking, let's play it. I didn't play it for like probably 2 years or last Christmas. I don't remember even if I played last Christmas, but we are October, so probably we need to get back into Christmas mode, right? So this is called the First Noel, Christmas Eve Waltz by David Lanz. So let's mess it up. It's a beautiful song. Let's see it. Much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please listen to all the other tutorials that I'm having. Woof. That's a beautiful song. I will record more. Definitely I will record more from my heart to you. This is my gift for you for Christmas, right? I will record more, and please like share, subscribe. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. And my dream is to allow all students from different income levels to study and practice and study and piano with international teachers all over the world. So this is our mission here, to share our gift. That's why it's a privilege. It's a privilege to be a musician. So that's what I'm doing right now. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe. Thank you.